This is Upscreen and this is how to fix Destiny 2 error code port. So I'm going to discuss multiple solutions, so follow along. So guys, this error can show because your account doesn't match the region you purchased Destiny 2 on. So guys, for example, if you are in Canada and you bought the game on the Canadian marketplace, but you are logged in with a Japanese account, you may encounter the error code BOR. So guys, in order for you to fix this issue, first thing that you will do is install the Destiny 2 and all the content updates. And now guys, before launching the game, create a new account and ensure the region of the new account matches the game region. So, launch the game to download any pending updates, and after the updates are downloaded, sign out of the newly created account and log back into the original account. And from there guys, you should be able to play your Destiny 2 without any issue. So guys, I recommend that you use a Wi-Fi wired connection over a Wi-Fi connection to ensure more stable link with the network. And guys, if the errors are still showing up, what you can do is try to disable game sharing on your PlayStation or Xbox. And then from there guys, you should be able to play your Destiny 2 without this error code. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!